Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression 4x squared minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of simplifying this expression. Stay tuned as we break down each step to help you better understand how to reduce rational expressions. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin reducing the rational expression 4x squared minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 to its lowest terms, we need to look for factors in the numerator and the denominator. Our goal is to simplify the expression by canceling out common factors. First, we address the numerator, which is 4x squared minus 1. This is a difference of squares. A difference of squares is a special kind of polynomial that can be factored into two binomials. The form of a difference of squares is a squared minus b squared, which factors into open a plus b close times open a minus b close. In this case, 4x squared is a squared and 1 is b squared. To factor 4x squared minus 1, we find the square roots of both terms. The square root of 4x squared is 2x because 2x times 2x equals 4x squared. The square root of 1 is 1 because 1 times 1 equals 1. Using the difference of squares formula, we factor 4x squared minus 1 into open 2x plus 1 close times open 2x minus 1 close. So the numerator 4x squared minus 1 is now open 2x plus 1 close times open 2x minus 1 close. We have not altered the denominator yet. We will do that in the next step. This concludes step 1. We factored the numerator 4x squared minus 1 into open 2x plus 1 close times open 2x minus 1 close. Step 2. In this step, we simplify the rational expression by examining both the numerator and the denominator to determine if they share any common factors that can be cancelled out. We already factored the numerator 4x squared minus 1 into 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1 in step 1. Now, let's take a look at the denominator, which is 2x minus 1. Notice that 2x minus 1 appears in both the numerator and the denominator. This means they are common factors, and we can cancel them out. To cancel common factors, we remove the 2x minus 1 from both the numerator and the denominator. So now, we are left with 2x plus 1 divided by 1. Since dividing by 1 does not change the value of a number, we can simplify the expression to just 2x plus 1. This concludes step 2. The rational expression 4x squared minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 simplifies to 2x plus 1. Step 3. In this step, we confirm that the expression is in its simplest form and finalize our solution. We simplified the rational expression 4x squared minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 to 2x plus 1 in step 2 by cancelling out the common factor 2x minus 1. To ensure that 2x plus 1 is truly in its simplest form, we need to check if it can be factored further. 2x plus 1 is a binomial and does not have any common factors other than 1. Since there are no factors that can be simplified further, 2x plus 1 is already in its simplest form. Therefore, the expression has been reduced to the lowest terms. This concludes step 3, which is also the final step. The reduced form of the rational expression 4x squared minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 is simply 2x plus 1.